Hello guys, this is the most important current affairs session for 10 November 2019 and one question will be asked at the end of the video for which you need to comment your answer. So guys, watch this video till the end, and if you have not already subscribed this channel, do subscribe it and also share with your friends. Okay, and this session will be very useful for preparing different competitive examinations, especially UPSC, APSc and the examinations of this standard. Okay, so let's start today's session. The Union government has withdrawn the SPG security cover provided to the Gandhi family. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will now be the only person to be provided with SPG cover. Next, Piyush Goyal to participate in 9th BRICS Trade Ministers Meet in Brasilia. Next, the BSF has recently procured Israeli tethered drones and thermal imagers to check smuggling and illegal infiltration in Dhubri sector. Dhubri means Assam. Okay, where a major part of the India-Bangladesh border passes through a riverine stretch, making it difficult to erect fences. Okay, so BSF has purchased Israeli drones for checking this India-Bangladesh border at Dhubri sector. Next, a young couple from Assam, Parijat Guha, that is Parijat Guha, and Angana Gohain Barua completed the 1.9 km swim, 90 km cycling, and 21.1 km run in the first ever Ironman 70.3 held in India recently. Angana won the third place in her age category. Okay. Next, Skill India certifies 500 skilled candidates formally under recognition of prior learning in Agra. Next, Rohit Sharma set a record of playing the 100th T20I match. He is the first male cricketer to make this record. Next, Google India appoints former Star and Disney head Sanjay Gupta as new country manager. Okay. Next, Apsc for Milan 2020 concludes at Visakhapatnam. Next, Kumar Mangalam Birla, who is the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, conferred the ABLF Global Asian Award. ABLF Global Asian Award for powerful individuals whose business footprint and commitment to excellence have engaged international interest and attention. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Okay, so this was the last current affair. Now coming to the today's question from the last class, and today's question is: Operation Peace Spring, recently seen in news, was conducted by option A, Bangladesh, option B, Turkey, option C, Pakistan, option D, none of the above. So guys, you need to comment your answer. I'll respond to those comments, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.